Mago mag tuke riwruok makelo kanyakla Kembe ma ondiko gande tije pacho ka FKE koro ywago medruok mag osuru ma piny owacho osebet ka chwalo kama giwacho ni mano medo pek matimo ohala. Jatije mag FKE Jacqueline Mugo wacho ni lwasi mar ohala sani osemedo kethore nikech pek mar osuru ma imedo kinde ka kinde.
Concern is that the government needs to broaden the tax base to avoid overtaxing businesses, and we also know that there are very many new taxes and levies which are being introduced to support the bottom-up economic development plan, which we support as a federation. Our concern is that businesses are struggling. The 3% deduction, I think at this point the target are the public servants. When the idea of affordable housing was introduced, the Federation supported the idea, but financing it has been something that we would want to engage better on.